teachers and parents, welcome back to Keerti's CraftShala. Today I have some super interesting indoor activities related to the topic shapes, and I'm sure your kids gonna love it. So let's talk about my first activity. For the first activity, I'm having some of my favorite fruits and some pieces of cucumber, and we need some toothpicks for this. Let's start. Now give these fruits to your kids and ask them to make a shapes fruit salad. I'm going to show you how. Take the fruits, put them like this, and try to make some shapes. That's it. This is a square shape. Our square shape is ready. Now, the next one is 1, 2, now this is a triangle shape. Very nice. Now it's time to make a rectangle with cucumber pieces. For that I have 2 big toothpicks and 2 small toothpicks. A rectangle shape. Our shape salad is ready. Now you can have it and have fun with the shape. So that was our first activity. Now it's time to move on our second activity. But before that, I can have some fruits. Let's start. For the second activity, we need some disposable glasses. But remember, the disposable glasses must be transparent. Now, I have pasted some shapes on the glasses like this. There are so many shapes. Look, these are the shapes: triangle, rectangle, circle, heart and square shape. Now, I have some more glasses and I have drawn the outline of these shapes on the glasses like this. All the shapes are here. Now, pick a random shape and ask your child to make the correct pair. This is circle. Where is the circle? Circle, circle. Here it is. Now, make pairs. Just like this. Circle shape. Now pick another one. Triangle shape. Where is the triangle outline? Here it is. Triangle shape. Now rectangle. Rectangular shape. Heart shape. This is heart shape. And now square. Oops, sorry. Just like this, and have fun. And our third activity is a pizza activity. I know this is not a cooking show. We are going to make a paper pizza. And for that I need a paper plate. And I have pasted some shapes on my paper pizza. Is it looking like a paper pizza? Now, you will give your child this worksheet and ask him to fill it. Squares. How many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares. 4 squares. How many circles are there? Circles. 1, 2, 3 circles. 3 circles. Rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rectangles. Heart. 1, 2, 3 hearts. Triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 triangles. Ovals. 1, 2, 2 ovals. That's wonderful. That is our third activity. So friends, these were the 3 indoor activities related to the topic shape. Hope you like it. And in our next video, we will share 3 outdoor activities related to this topic. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.